How to change login pin on Unocoin. Are you guys facing issues to change your login pin on Unocoin application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To change your login pin on Unocoin, first open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, then tap on More in the bottom right corner and select Settings or Security Settings. Look for the login pin option and tap in it. You will be prompted to enter your current PIN for security. Once installed, you will be asked to create a new 4-digit or 6-digit PIN. Type it in, then confirm it by entering it again. Next, tap Save or Confirm. You should see a confirmation message saying your PIN has updated. From now on, use your new PIN to log in securely each time. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change your login PIN on Unocoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.